Hello students. So as you can see in this picture, today we will study about the teeth in human being. Okay. So mainly there are two type of teeth we get in our life. First one is milk teeth and second one is permanent teeth. So we get the milk teeth from age to 2 years. So after 1.5 years the teeth starts coming, and we get it by, and I think almost till we become 7 to 8 years old, this teeth starts falling, and when we become 12-year-old, till then almost all teeth, all permanent teeth comes to our mouth, right? So we have 20 teeth at first, which are milk teeth, and later we get 32 teeth, which are permanent teeth. Okay. What are the types of teeth we get? So mainly four types of teeth we get in our life. Those are incisors, canions, premolars, and molars. Okay. Last two teeth are called as wisdom teeth. Okay. So that is those teeth are not compulsorily comes. Okay. Generally we get 32 teeth. Okay. Four incisor and for upper jaw, and four incisors for lower jaw. Here in this picture you can get it clearly. This one, the first one is the picture of molars, then premolar, canion, and incisor. Okay. So you can see their structure. Okay. Canion is very sharp to tear out our food, and molars are used to chew the food. Okay. So every teeth has a different role. Like if we talk about incisors, this one. Okay. This teeth is used for cutting or biting. Okay. We have four incisors in our jaw. Okay. Then the next is canion, this one. So as you can see the structure, this is very sharp. So we use this teeth to tear out the food that we eat. So we have two teeth per jaw. Totally we get four teeth. Okay. Four canions we have. Then premolars. Here you can see the structure is wide but not so wide. Okay. So we use this teeth to grind and chew our food. Okay. And finally we have the molars, which is wide. So we use this teeth to chew and grind our food properly. Okay. So we have total 12 molars, 6 molar in each jaws. Okay. So those are the number of teeth we get in our mouth. Here in this picture also you can understand that the position of canion, then the position of premolars. So in both the jaws, whether it is upper jaw or lower jaw, we get these teeth. Okay. So we have the premolars in both the jaws, canions in both the jaws, and then incisors in both the jaws. Okay. So all the teeth are available in upper jaw and lower jaw as well, and you can see the position of them in this picture. Okay. Then finally comes to the structure of the teeth. As you can see in this picture, there is a upper layer of enamel, then dentin, then pulp, then gum. Finally we have cementum, blood vessels, then periodontal ligament, lateral canal, nerves. Okay. So the lower part is called as root, the middle part is known as neck, this one, and then upper part is called as crown. So root that embedded to the jaw, this part is completely embedded to the jaw of our mouth. Okay, then crown is the upper part, as you can see here. Then neck is the middle one, middle part of the teeth is called as neck. And then enamel is the white part. Okay, this is the toughest part of our body. And then dentine is like bone structure. Here you can see the dentine, this yellow part. Okay, and finally the pulp and cavity, the lower part. So see, the pulp and cavity is a soft cavity which contains blood vessels and nerves. Okay, so whatever you feel, whether it is hot or cold, you feel from your teeth with the help of this pulp only. Okay, so those are the parts of teeth. Now finally we come to the last point. How can we take care of our teeth? So to take care of our teeth, we should brush our teeth properly. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, and we should visit to the dentist regularly. And this is how, with the help of thread also, we should clean our teeth. Okay, so a healthy and white teeth, a healthy teeth are white and healthy gums are pink. Okay, so those are the you can say symbols, or you can say that those are the identification through which we can get that whether our teeth is healthy or not. Okay, if a proper care is not taken of our teeth, it becomes yellowish due to formation of sticky layer of contaminated food particles. Okay, so the yellow color comes because of the contamination present on our teeth, and that sticky layer forms saliva and bacteria which is called as plaque. Okay, so plaque absorbs sugary and starchy food material. Okay, and the bacteria in the plaque convert the sugar and starch into acid, and that acid forms dissolved to the teeth enamel and lead to the formation of cavity to our teeth. Okay, so that's why we should not eat too much of sweet, because that sweet will finally change into the starch and acid, and that acid will dissolve the tooth enamel. Okay, and the tooth will become and will have the cavity in our tooth. Okay, so gums hold the teeth. To build up the build-up of plaque at the place where the teeth meets the gum leads to loosening of teeth. Okay, so because the gum holds our teeth properly, if the plaque will build up at the point of joint, then that lead to loose of our teeth. So the few suggestions have been given in your book to take care of your teeth. Okay, what are they? Properly brush your teeth every day in the morning and again before going to the bed, and massage your gums gently with soft brush. Okay, that is very important. We generally brush our teeth but don't massage our gums, so have the practice of massaging your gums. Okay, then wash your mouth thoroughly with water after every eating. Whenever you eat, you should wash your mouth thoroughly, because if there will be any food particle left in your teeth, left in between the teeth, then that will lead to the teeth problems. Then eat self-cleaning food such as raw vegetable, carrot, radish, cabbage, fruit, particularly citrus food. Okay, so those things we should eat, and we should avoid eating sticky and starchy food like sweets, chocolates, toffee and ice cream, etc. Okay, so one very important point is given in your book, that the tooth enamel is the hardest material that we have in our body. Okay, so it is chemically most stable tissue in our body. Actually, the teeth of ancient human and animal have provided most helpful data for the study purpose of evolution of those era. Okay, so that's why, so we get that enamel is the hardest part of our teeth. Okay, so you just keep taking care of your teeth. Okay, because that will help you eating everything. Don't eat so much of sweets. Okay, and brush your teeth thoroughly. In next lecture we'll cover about the human digestive system. Okay, till then, bye bye, and